Okay, so let's talk a little bit about proper subsets. So proper, right? So a specific type of subset. So proper subsets. And you should hopefully have the definition on page 63 written down on your P2P since it was on the reading assignment. So the nice thing is you actually know what a proper subset is already. We've talked about it. I actually just haven't given it a name. So our class. There are 20 students in our class, right? X1, X2, dot, 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 all the way to X20. And remember we talked about the female students and the male students. Well, the set of female students and the set of male students. So we had F and let's see, M for male. So our female students were a subset of the set S, right? All these, 13 of them, right? 13 students live in that set. And of course, the 7 male students also live in S. So again, we could write this bar here, which means again, F is a subset, is smaller than S, or, right, there's an or implied in there, or it's equal to S. Well, we know it's not equal to S because it's not. I mean, we don't have 13 total students in the class, which happen to be girls, right? I don't have that this semester. And then the male students, of course, again, right, we know that this set is smaller than this set. It's not equal. Now, if I wanted to omit this, so where's my eraser? Okay, so, oh, my eraser's not working. Okay, let's rewrite this then. We can also say, so F, M, and in my white here, S and S. Okay, I can also write, let's say it's too fun, maybe purple. I can also say this, right? I mean, here I like this one just because this is saying this set is smaller than this set. This set, right, is smaller than this set. And that's what the proper subsets are. So our proper subsets in this case are the pink and the blue. So all the students, all the female students in our class that set is a proper subset because it's not equal to the set S. And our 7 male students are a proper subset of the set S. And really quick, let's see, where's white. Let's say, so S. So this is not true, right? Because S is not smaller than S. S is equal to S, or is less than or equal to. So this is not true, right? S is not a proper subset. Okay, so let's move on to another example. And we're actually going to do an exercise in your book. It's going to be number, let's see, number 44 in section 2.2. So the directions say determine whether each statement is true or false, and if the statement is false, then explain why. Again, explain why. Don't just say true or don't just say false if it is false. So 44 is, we have Canada, and we have this symbol, right? And we have, that's not the right one. Canada, we have, so different countries, Mexico, US, and Canada. So the question here is this statement true or is it false? So I would pause this real quick and just think about it. Okay, hopefully you have something written down. So this is actually false. Okay, so we have to explain why. Well, we have this symbol, which means subset. Okay, so that means I need a set. I actually need these braces. That means it's a collection of members. Canada right now, this Canada is an element in that set, right? We can say if I had Canada is an element of, Mexico, US, and Canada, that would be okay. That would be true because there's an element, right? And it lives in this set, right? And there's Canada again. But we're talking about sets, right? So we need these little braces or little squiggles around there. So that's why this is false. And you can, again, say that in your own words.